This is Jeff Hamrick at Rhodes College, and I'm going to talk about building a scatter plot and computing a correlation coefficient in Fathom using the same set of data I used to illustrate those concepts, those techniques in SPSS. So this is the breakfast cereal data again. It has in it pre-computed attributes representing the concentration of sugar in each cup of cereal and the concentration of calories in each cup of cereal. We already really basically know how to make scatter plots in Fathom. Drag down an empty graph, take the attribute that you want on the x-axis, like sugars per cup, which we view as explaining calories per cup, and drop it down on the x-axis. This forms the usual dot plot that we've been working with throughout the semester. Now, however, do something a little bit different. Take the calories per cup attribute and drop it on the y-axis, and voila, you have a scatter plot between sugars per cup on the one hand and calories per cup on the other hand. Adding a least squares line of best fit is easy to do. Just right click and ask for a least squares line. There you go. Essentially you get for free with this the sample correlation coefficient, the Pearson correlation coefficient. It's been squared, however, in this form, so we would have to take the square root of 0.29, and maybe we don't want to do that. Maybe we want to ask Fathom to do that work directly for us. It's pretty easy. Just drop down a summary table and drop in, let's say, sugars per cup here. Now that's not the correlation between sugars per cup and calories per cup. That's the default behavior in this case is that it's the mean concentration of sugars per cup. Just add this other attribute, calories per cup, up here, and now the default behavior when Fathom detects quantitative by quantitative data in a summary table, it defaults to computing the sample correlation coefficient for you, which in this case is 0.536, exactly pretty much what we found in SPSS. So this is how you use Fathom to generate both a scatter plot with least squares line and to compute a correlation coefficient. Thanks.